What happens if you refill an XP or a Canon inkjet cartridge with Epson ink? I'll try to refill a Canon PG cartridge with Epson ink. I remove the ink from an Epson ink cartridge. This is an empty Canon cartridge. Let's refill it with Epson ink. After the refill, I install the cartridge into the printer. First of all, I make some cleaning procedures. Every empty cartridge still has a small amount of ink inside, and I want to remove it. The cleaning procedures consume a lot of ink, and this is what I need. Now I try to print an image. It seems it's working. Let's make other prints. 20 pages. It printed the 20 pages. The quality I think is acceptable. I don't want to tell you that all inks are equals. For sure on special papers or photographic papers, it could happen that you don't have a great quality. It could happen that the nozzles get dirty more often. I don't know if in the long run the different ink chemical composition will damage the nozzle and so on. However, if you need to print text on normal paper with an old cartridge and you don't need particularly high quality, probably you can use almost every inkjet ink.